You want a close-up of my hair? Thank you for joining me on this video. My name is Rachel from TheRLSLife. I'm here to share with you the 5 reasons why I decided to lock my hair. Stay to the end so I can share with you my number 1 reason why I locked my hair. I would love to hear the reasons why you may have locked your hair or why you might be thinking about locking your hair. That's probably how you got up on this video. Tell me about it in the comments. The top 5 reasons why I locked my hair. Starting with number 5. I've been noticing that my hair has been thinning. Like here, I did this a long time ago. I thinned this part out accidentally. And then back here, I noticed that my hair was starting to thin also. And that was from tension styling and all that stuff. Because I previously I had to do my hair, well, I did my hair every week. And mainly ponytails, so of course the back part was starting to get thin. So that was one of the reasons why I decided or felt like it was necessary for me to lock my hair. Reason number 4, no wash day. If you're a loose natural, then you understand the struggle. For some reason with my loose natural hair, it would take me forever to detangle my hair. And I could never find the right product, or the right product that I did find, it would be discontinued because I bought my stuff off clearance. The second reason why I decided to lock my hair is because of the versatility. So after I saw a friend of a friend, at this point I had become curious about the smaller locks. And so I was doing my research and I saw her and I was like, girl, run it down for me. She has legit sister locks, like not my hair. My hair is Microlocs. And so that's what she did. She gave me the rundown of her sister locks. She said that she's had box braids over them, and she showed me. She said you have to go to somebody who really know what they're doing, but they're very versatile. Wear some wigs, sewing, a variety of styles. Because if you look back at my old videos, I like to do my hair, all the things. And after that, I was like, bet, I'm getting sister locks. Not like, at that time, I didn't know nothing about Microlocs. And so the versatility is one of the many reasons why I was like, okay, I'm finna lock my hair. I can lock my hair and still have, and still feel like me. Feel like, feel comfortable. So the number 1 reason why I locked my hair, the number 1 reason is to save me some time. Recoup me some time. I had no time for myself. My hair, like at one point, the end of the school year last year, I just got to the point where I was just pulling my hair in a ponytail. I didn't have time to do nothing else. After I did my daughter hair, after I did my son hair, the weekend is over and it's time to go back to work. So all I could do was wash my hair and put it in a ponytail. Try my best to detangle it and, and go on about my business. So having the ability to save that time, one less thing I have to do, the washes don't take as long. If I just need to get up and go, I can still look like something. You know what I mean? Versus I've had to throw on some hats before. That is the number 1 reason why I decided to get some Microlocs, because I was like, oh yeah, you only have to do, the most time consuming of getting Microlocs is the reties. You have to go every whatever to get reties, like you would have to go get a relax. If you have made it to the end of the video, put a red heart in there to let me know that you hung in there with me to the end. It is my favorite color, and my birthday is Valentine's Day, so I would greatly appreciate you putting a red heart in that comment section if you made it to the end. Also, share with me. Let me know if you are locked. And if you're thinking about locking, that's probably why you're here, because you're thinking about locking your hair. Go ahead, do it. Look at me. Let me be your inspiration. I have my inspirations. Let me be your inspiration. If you are thinking about locking your hair, Let me know in the comments why you're thinking about locking your hair. If this video has helped you in any kind of way, let me know. I love getting comments. I respond to every single one. I thank you all so much for your time because, child, I know time is precious. And it waits for no one. But I do appreciate you and your time. Thank you for hanging out with me for a few minutes. I look forward to hearing from you in the comments. Check out my shorts. Thank you for your time. Bye. You want a close-up of my hair? I love bangs, but I'm not gonna cut me any bangs, but this is my hair in 9 months. I have some stuff going on with them, and because I do my hair myself and because of my time constraints, I have not taken the time to figure it out, but I also need a retie. And I'll be getting started on that soon. But this is my hair in 9 months. All right, bye.